Hey kids, it's me, Kit the Explorer, and today we're exploring a winter wonderland. It's so snowy out. In the winter, the weather gets cold and the snow falls from the sky, and there's so many fun snow sports that we can do when it snows. To help us see and explore some of these snow sports, we have our friend, Miles. Miles, what do you think about the snow? Sounds good to you? Can you show everybody watching your cool new snow toy? It's right here. What is this?
Snowboard.
A snowboard. How cool. Can you show us how it works? You're pretty good at it, aren't you? Yeah, can you stand on it and show us how? Whoa, the snowboard is slick on the bottom, so it glides over the snow. Watch Miles snowboard. Whoa, he's really good at it. Woo-hoo-hoo. Whoa! Sometimes when you're snowboarding, you can fall down, and that's what happened to Miles. Oh, but guess what? I see something that's the same color as my outfit. It's red, just like my sleeves. Do you see something that's red too? Let's look around. There it is. It's a red sled. I'm gonna go grab that red sled, and then we might sled down a little hill. Come on. Look at this red sled that somebody must have crashed. Look at that big hole in it, but guess what? I bet you we could go down that hill over there on this red sled. Should we give it a try? Let's go. The snow is so much fun. Remember kids, if it's snowy where you are and you want to go outside and play, make sure your parents bundle you up in warm gloves and a warm coat so that you don't freeze and catch a cold. Should we ride this down the mountain? Mm-hmm. Let's go, Miles. Come on. First, we need to climb the mountain. Now we're at the top of this hill, and this is a slick sled. Kit's gonna sit in first, then Miles, and I hope it doesn't break apart. How scary. Let's see. Whoa, here we go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You wanna do that again? That was a lot of fun. Did you know some of the other things you can do when it's snowy is build snow angels? Should we build snow angels for the kids at home? Here's how you build a snow angel. Make sure that your head is nice and covered up, and then lay down in the snow. Miles is gonna show us. Whoop! Whoop! Now it's my turn. Whoa! And then, once you're laying down, press your head back, move your arms and legs, and make, a snow angel. Miles' snow angel is really good. This little girl is also really good at making snow angels. Let's watch her. There she goes. Wow, look at that snow angel. What a pro. Do you see the halo, the body, and the wings? How cool. What do you say we go down the mountain again on the sled? Sounds good to me too. Let's go. Miles and I are going to take you down on the sled with us. You'll see exactly what we're seeing. Ready? Here we go. Whoa! Whoa! That was so fun, explorers. Should we go down again? Let's go down again, come on. This is so much fun. Look out at the mountains. They're so pretty when it snows. Did you know that when it snows, it sounds quiet? The reason is because snow absorbs sound waves, so it makes the world quiet and peaceful when it snows. That's perfect for all the sleeping and hibernating bears that live in the mountains. And did you know that snow is actually frozen droplets of water that falls from the sky? It's true, and each individual snowflake is completely unique. There are no two snowflakes that are exactly alike, just like everyone on the planet. There's no one quite like you. Can you say snow with me? Snow. It's the same sound that the snake makes. Can we make the snake sound? Snow. Oh, thanks for watching another fun episode of Kit Explores, when we explored a wonderful winter wonderland in the mountains. We learned all about snow and where it comes from. Parents, make sure to subscribe to this channel and give us a thumbs up for more fun and educational videos. You can follow us on Instagram or on Twitter at Kit Explores. Thanks so much, and we'll see you guys next time. Whoa! See ya, everybody. This sled's falling apart. We can't do it anymore. Here, give me your hand. Let's head back to the car and get some hot chocolate. What do you say? Sounds good to you? No good to you? Here. Why don't you hop on the sled and I'll push you back in it.